DJN TV.
My Sabinus Ogungelicious somebody there. Hello, I your side. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time we be like say this our video take reach your end. You know how the matter they be now. This na DJN TV daily news update. Your one-stop channel for all your better news and gist wey concern Nigeria and things wey dey happen all around the world. The matter what we carry come so it concern wetin we dey experience for our everyday life for not only for Nigeria, for everywhere. And the things wey be like say some people don come aside come talk concerning this matter. It concern this corona pandemic matter. And one Nigerian foremost youth, the first youth to become governor for inside Nigeria. When I talk about Yahaya Bello, wey be the governor of Kogi State. Now, Oga Yahaya Bello, we know when this whole issue start, when they bring out figures, this state has so and so numbers of cases, so and so number of cases. Oga Yahaya Bello just say, Kogi State no get any case of korokoro. E no get wetin anybody want talk. When we say go make her agree, say the matter they play for inside the state. You know, so that person first say, make them forget. People want you to collect money. He know they give a damn about what anybody talk. Waiting he know be say koro matter. He know they for inside Kogi State. Although that one no stop her from obeying the federal government directives concerning the COVID-19 protocols. They see they wash their hands for Kogi State. They wear their mask. They even when the country go on lockdown, they also do on lockdown too. They do everything as the federal government they talk. But Oga Yahaya Bello say lie koro no dey for inside Kogi State. Now the Kogi State Commissioner for Information, Oga Kingsley Fanwo, don come as I got to say Oga Yahaya Bello stand on this COVID-19 matter don win admirers globally all around the world and inside the country. Say because many people they praise the courage and you know, say it take boldness and courage for somebody to fit stand say this thing will not do am and will not go do am. He say, Father, these are the kind of person we need as president for inside Nigeria. In case you don't know, Oga Yahaya Bello now one of the aspirant hopeful for the 2023 election when it comes to the presidency matter. Now, for one interview, Oga Fanwo just say people when they say the governor's statement on the vaccine matter, when they say no go receive the vaccine. Say the people they visit will get negative impact on the political career. Say, but no, instead of it to get a negative impact on the political career, say it don't even give them global attention positively. Because the people they praise and say, this guy, he try well, no be small. It also deny claims, say the state government reject the vaccine. They also say the delay in getting the vaccine now because of the destruction of the cold room. We be like they're supposed to put the vaccine during the NSAS protest. Now, the governor come as I got to say, we don't want the vaccine for our state. Northern elders don't praise them. The governor, commissioner for information, don't come as I got to say, no, not what he mean be that. So, what he mean be say, yeah, they won't put the vaccine, the quorum, no good. NSAS protesters don't spoil them. So we don't collect the vaccine, we keep her for where no co. Based on say WHO standard and United Nations standard, we say every state must get quorum facilities so that they will keep the vaccine because the vaccine no fit for where no code. You know that kind of matter. Now you also say they don't fix the facility and then they expect the vaccine to enter Kogi State anytime soon. The commissioner also say although he no go take the vaccine, say however the state government also they go administer the vaccine for anybody who is ready to take the vaccine. The Commissioner for Information for Kogi State also say everything what Oga Yahaya Bello they talk, don't they come to pass. He said what Oga Yahaya Bello they try to say, we will not pay too much attention to taking care of only the COVID. He said we get plenty health issues we need to address for Nigeria. And as such, make Nigeria as a country look into, you know, the fixing of the health sector of the country. So now what Oga Yahaya Bello they try talk. You know they try say may nobody take vaccine, may not attend to the COVID issue. So but they try talk we say why would they pay attention to COVID issue? More also they pay look inward towards to our health facilities inside the country, because we get the capacity to even produce these vaccines. They will like say we dey collect from other countries, but because we know we fix our health sector, we don't recognize our scientists, now make we dey rely on things from where other countries they develop, like the vaccines them, and even up to our simple drugs that what we dey take where we know they fine. It also expressed a lot of doubt about the safety of these vaccines, and it also to say like what Yahaya Bello talk, we don dey witness and say many countries don begin to suspend the use of this particular vaccine wey dem bring come Nigeria, sake of say dem dey report issues of blood clotting and other health related issues wey dey related to the collection of the vaccine. Although Nigerians say they don test am for their lab for NAFDAC and they don see any side effect wey like say dey too serious, aside maybe painful injection side and other things dem wey no dey too serious, like say they say when you take small pain relief, those side effects dey go wear out. That fan wey be commissioner for inside Kogi, e don also talk say people don even begin call am from other countries. They say we like wetin your oga Yahaya Bello dey do o, we dey see am not just as leader for inside Nigeria, we dey see am as leader globally. Like as I tell una before, oga Yahaya Bello him get presidential aspiration come 2023, and he no dey hide am, he dey talk am, he dey make am dey very vocal. He dey say he be voice, and he believe say he stand on top of this COVID matter. He no dey do kurukere, he dey talk the thing as the matter be. Say he believe say this na time wey like say we need to fix our health sector, and we need to fund our scientists, so that on top of all this kind of matter like this koro matter, Nigeria go fit be leader for inside development of vaccines and other things dem wey concern. Now oga fan wey be commissioner don say people don begin dey hail the oga, say oga Yahaya Bello na better man na him be. Now make we no forget say Nigerian youths dey agitate say come 2023 the kind of person they need for president must be youth. It must be young person. They don't want old blood. They say, all the old blood, they may they go rest first. Make the youth, may they handle Nigeria small. Say, it be like say the old people, they're not tired because of age. So make those men get energy and strength, may they handle the country, so that the country self go better. Many people don't use the case study of this NSAS protest, where be like say the youth them organize themselves, begin to raise, they do fundraising to take care of projects by themselves. Where be like say without government aid, they fit achieve many things inside the during the duration of the NSAS protest. Now oga Yahaya Bello na youth, governor of the Kogi state, and he don say he won't contest for presidency come 2023. Now I throw the question to you. How you see this matter? Say oga Yahaya Bello, they say for his state Kogi no COVID, and as such although the vaccine go come, but him as a governor no go collect the vaccine. But anybody want collect, if he collect, but say as a governor he no go collect the vaccine, because he dey very concerned about the safety. Sake of say the many things wey people they talk about, say the side effect of this vaccine. So you, how you see this matter? The guy dey correct. What did they do? You just say now for the interest of the Kogi state people. And then secondly, how you see the matter? Say Yahaya Bello won't run for presidency come 2023. It makes sense. If you there for the police station that day and he finally get the ticket for a party, you go vote for him as president. All this on that question where they ask you, drop your answers for the comment section. I'm going to read your comment to know what you think concerning this issue what will bring come for you today. Well, this is still DJM TV Daily News Update, and I here will come to the end of this edition of our news. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell, so that you will be one of the first persons to know when we drop our next edition of our daily news. Don't forget, if you still place your advert with us, so we get very wide reach. So we there on Facebook, we there on Twitter, we there on Instagram, we there on TikTok. Follow us at DJM TV. For Instagram, I beg you go type DJM TV News, and then you go to see us. For our website www.djmtv.news, we dey drop news for there every time 247. That's all news they drop for our website. So if you check out our website and also follow us on all our social media platforms. Like this video, I beg, share this video, and don't forget to place your advert with us. Contact us and we will tell you how to go about the advert matter. Well, till we come your way again, my name is still remain la we favor. And they tell you say na when food dey hot, na dem dey eat am.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.